Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tabletop dishwasher is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen appliances for small spaces or apartments, offering a convenient and efficient way to clean dishes without the hassle of a full-size model. This video will dive deep into the world of portable tabletop dishwashers, exploring their features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you determine if this space-saving marvel is the right choice for your home. Number 5. Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher. It's time to upgrade your dishwashing routine. This countertop dishwasher makes cleaning dishes effortless, even in small spaces. Just ensure you have enough clearance above your countertop. Despite its small size, it holds up to 4 place settings or 10.25 dishes. It's perfect for apartments, RVs, or anywhere space is limited. Choose from 5 different wash programs to suit your needs: standard, fast, ECO, strong, and even a fruit cleaning cycle. It provides a thorough clean every time. It uses high temperatures and hot air drying to ensure sparkling clean dishes, even baby products and oily tableware. Everything comes out spotless and dry. It offers 2 water supply options, a built-in 5-liter tank or a direct faucet connection. No complicated installation is needed, just fill the tank or connect to your faucet and start cleaning. You can monitor the washing process through the convenient glass door. Its compact design and simple operation make it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, boats, and RVs. Enjoy the convenience of a dishwasher without sacrificing valuable space. Each unit is thoroughly tested before shipping. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer support team is here to help. What we like? It boasts 5 different wash programs to suit your needs, and a unique glass door lets you monitor the cleaning process. If you value seeing your dishes get sparkling clean and want a space-saving solution, this is the perfect choice for your apartment or RV. What people say? It cleans really well, and I'm not great about rinsing dishes. The dry feature works well also. It's quiet. I have been using this for almost 2 months and have had 0 issues. Dishes come out super clean and I haven't noticed any soap residue. It's compact, easy to set up, and works surprisingly well for its size. It cleans dishes, glasses, and cutlery perfectly, and the different wash settings are very useful. It's quiet, efficient, and saves a lot of time. Number 4. Farberware FDW05 ASBWHA Dishwasher. It's perfect for small spaces. No plumbing hookup needed thanks to its built-in water tank. You can use it in your apartment, RV, or even a boat. This little machine offers 5 different wash cycles. It's gentle enough for delicate glassware and baby bottles, yet powerful enough for everyday dishes. Clean dishes in just 40 minutes. It's a quick and efficient solution for busy lifestyles. Say goodbye to hand-washing hassles. The simple controls and LED display make it a breeze to operate. Refilling and cleaning the water tank is also quick and easy. Farberware is a trusted brand known for quality and innovation. It brings that same reliability and value to this countertop dishwasher. It can fit dishes up to 12 inches in diameter. Despite its compact size, it has a surprisingly large capacity. What we like? This model stands out with its specialized baby care cycle, ensuring the safest clean for your little one's bottles. It's also incredibly fast, perfect for busy individuals. If you need a quick and efficient clean for your dishes and baby items, this is the one for you. What people say? It measures perfectly within our space, which is 31 inches from countertop to the bottom of our cabinets. We have about 4 inches to spare, so it tucks in nicely. I've been pleasantly surprised by how well it cleans, especially considering its compact size. It tackles our everyday dishes with ease, leaving them sparkling. I had a full-size dishwasher in my previous home and I'm impressed how well this compares for both cleaning and drying. Number 3. HAVA R01 Mini Dishwasher. It has 2 water supply modes. Simply add water to the built-in tank or connect it to your faucet. It's perfect for apartments or RVs. Despite its compact size, it holds up to 4 place settings and more than 30 pieces of kitchenware. The specially designed tray and cutlery holder maximize space. It offers 6 wash cycles, including normal, speed, soft, heavy baby care, fruit, and dry. The 14 spray ports ensure thorough 360 degrees cleaning. It only uses 5 liters of water per wash, saving you water and energy. That's a quarter of what hand washing uses. The heavy baby care mode uses high heat for thorough cleaning. It also features a 60-minute hot air drying cycle and 72 hours of ventilation to keep everything fresh and odor-free. Each unit undergoes rigorous quality testing. A small amount of residual water is normal. Contact us with any questions. What we like. With its surprisingly large capacity and 6 wash programs, it easily handles a full family's dishes. The air drying function keeps everything spotless and odor-free. If you have a larger family or entertain often, this dishwasher is a must-have. What people say. It cleans well and does its job and has been very helpful. It arrived very quickly and I was able to easily move it and install it by myself. I love that it has the options to either hook it up to your faucet or fill it with water. It washes my dishes perfectly. It's super easy to install and use. A regular wash time only takes 60 minutes and it actually holds quite a bit for it being a countertop dishwasher. It has air and heat dry options and both work pretty well. For a little, compact machine it cleans my dishes really well. It works so well I've never even tried the full cycle. Number 2. Mini dishwasher. It's compact and surprisingly spacious. It holds a full set of dishes, yet fits easily on your countertop. With its powerful dual spray arms and high-pressure water jets, it blasts away stubborn food residue. Not just for dishes. It also cleans fruits and vegetables, keeping your ingredients fresh and pure. The intuitive touch screen makes choosing from 5 different wash programs a breeze. Cleaning has never been easier. It washes, dries, and stores your dishes, keeping them clean, dry, and odor-free. All in one convenient appliance. It's perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or anywhere you need a convenient and efficient way to clean dishes. You can even connect it to your tap. What we like. This versatile machine doesn't just wash dishes, it cleans fruits, vegetables, and more. Its compact size is perfect for small spaces, and the 3-in-1 function saves you space and time. If you're looking for a compact, multi-purpose cleaning solution, this is it. What people say. Small inside but holds plenty if packed right. Has 2 ways to fill, which is good because if I need to use the faucet while it's running I don't have to use the hose, I can just fill it up. Love this option. Durable. It takes about 3 of the included buckets to fill it. We use it for baby bottles and normal dishes, pots and pans, silverware, etc. It can actually hold a lot. Well designed and functional. When needed the water is heated internally to boiling. In addition to the preset wash cycle times, drying time is 1 hour. I've used a 30-minute quick wash every time so far and everything is clean. There is no assembly. Clamp on hose and go. Everything needing cleaning inside is easy and detachable. Number 1. 800W 6-liter tabletop dishwasher. It only uses 2 gallons of water per wash, saving you water compared to hand washing. Plus, a transparent lid lets you monitor the cleaning process. This dishwasher easily cleans 12 to 20 pieces of cutlery at once. Its powerful spray wash removes grease and grime efficiently. Choose from quick, standard, or intensive washes to tackle different levels of dirt. The simple control panel makes it easy to use. With the quick wash, you can finish cleaning in just 30 minutes. It's a complete unit, requiring only simple inlet and outlet pipe connections. It's perfect for homes, apartments, and more. Use it to clean dishes, vegetables, fruits, and even seafood. The lid has an ergonomic handle for easy opening and closing. What we like. This dishwasher boasts a large capacity, easily handling a large family's dishes. The transparent lid lets you monitor the washing process, and the dual drying modes ensure sparkling, dry dishes every time. If you need a powerful and efficient cleaning solution for a larger household, this is your best bet. What people say. The seller replaced it with another unit free of charge after 3 days and they covered shipping both ways. The wash arm seems to hang up all the time, but it is good enough for my shop to clean coffee mugs and Keurig parts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.